Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to stop New York Times emails. All right. First up, you're going to want to go to your emailing service, for example, Gmail or whatever email it is that is tied to your New York Times account. All right. Now look for a particular email from New York Times, for example, this one, and you will see an unsubscribe button right here. Just go ahead and click on it. Now, once done, go back to your New York Times page. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to account. Right here, there will be a drop down. Just click on it. Now go ahead over to accounts settings. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead over to email and settings. Click on it and this page will load. Now once it loads, go ahead and scroll down all the way down until you find newsletters and marketing communications. All right. If you don't want to receive any newsletters from the New York Times, just go ahead and click on remove right here and wait for it to load. As you can see, it's gone. Marketing communications right here. If you want to opt out, just go ahead and click on opt out right here. As you can see, you have opt out receiving updates and special offers from the New York Times, and from the Times newsletter is removed as well. From there, you won't be able to receive any newsletters or marketing communications from the New York Times anymore. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.